Hello everyone, my name is Amir Hamza and today we will talk about an important issue in the UK, the gender pay gap in the personal finance advisor sector. This means that women working in this field are paid less than men, even when they do the same of work. We will look at the reasons behind this unfair pay difference, what past research says, and how we can fix it. So, the abstract is this study explores why women in the financial advice sector in the UK earn less money than men. The reasons include things like commission based pay, where women are often at disadvantage. Men getting richer clients, lack of clear pay information, and fewer chances for promotions if women work part time or take career breaks. We found that current policies like the Women Finance Charter have not made a big difference. So we are suggesting practical ideas to make things more equal for women in this job. Now I would like to explain introduction. In the introduction, the financial services industry has one of the biggest gender pay gaps in the UK, about 23%. That means women earn much less than men doing similar jobs in this field. Women often get big or rich clients. The pay structure reward full-time, long hours, usually men. And leadership roles are mostly filled by the men. This is problem because financial advice affects people life savings and future plans. If people giving advice are not rated fairly, it also affects trust and quality of services. Now I would like to explain problem statement and research questions. Even with some progress in recent years, women in financial advice still face inequality. They are paid less, promoted less often, and are less likely to lead. This is not about skills or educations. Women are just as qualified as men. The real reasons are workplace rules, company cultures, and lack of sports. So our study asked four important questions. First of all, what causes the pay gap between men and women? The second one is how do pay systems and company culture affects this gap? The third question is, are current frameworks like the Women in Finance Charter working? And last but not the least, what changes can bring fairness and equal pay gap? Now I would like.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hassan. My student ID is 230692117. I will discuss about literature view trends and gap. When we reviewed past research, we focused some clear pattern. First one is client trust based. People trust made advisor more often with large investment account. Second one is commission based pay. This system reward people who work longer hour or get high value clients which often leaves women behind. Third one is weak policies. Diversity programs that are optional don't really work. And last one is lack of leadership. Only about 17% of leadership role in this industry are held by women. We also found that very few study focus only on personal finance advisor. Most talk about banking or finance in journal, and many don't look at how gender issue connected with things like race, age, or being a parents. In the literature review, we looked at several important studies that helped us understand the gender pay gap in the finance advisor sector. So we found big gap in the exacting research, especially around intersectional and real policy effectiveness. Now I will discuss about relevance to our study. These research articles help build the foundation for our own study. They confirm that first one is gender client trust, second one is commission heavy pay system, and last one is lack of women in leadership. Now I will discuss about methodology. In our study, we use secondary data. This means we collect information uh, that was already available from books, journal, reports, and government website. We focused only on sources related to the UK from the year 2006 to 2025. We use keywords like gender pay gap in UK finance, financial advisory inequality, and last one is women in finance. This is all from my side. Further discuss is my colleague.
Hi everyone, it's Lehrasam Sen. As my colleagues discuss about the case study, about the introduction and the problems, statements, methodology, and the literature review. Now I'll explain the result. Our results show the six main reasons why women learn less than a man in this job. The first one is the commission-based pay, that is 24% women work fewer hours to get the smaller client, so then they earn less through the commission. The second one is the client allocation, that is 20% men are given more high value client which increase their income. The third one is the career break penalties that are the 80% women who take the leaves or the work part-time lose their out of on the promotion and bonuses. The fourth one is few women leaders, that is 15% are not enough women in the senior roles to make discussions and decision. The fifth one is the unconscious bias, that is 30%. Some clients and the co-worker wrongly thinks men are better than the woman in financial advice. The sixth one and the last one is the lack of transparency, that is 10%. It's not always clear how pay or bonus are given, which hidden unfair treatment. Now I'll explain the discussion of the result. Our research our research match with the past study which said, but we added something new. We get a exact percentage for each issues, like how much commission pay affect the gap, and that it is easier to see the biggest problems are. The next one is the recommendation and the suggestion about our study. We suggest the six simple strong idea to reduce the pay gap. The first one is hybrid pay structure. Use a fixed salary and the bonus so women are not hurt by the commission only system. The second one is transparent report. Companies should show the salary clear and clean. Bonuses data by the gender and the job role. The third one is the fair client. Make sure both men and women get equal access to the big client. The fourth one is the support for flexible work. Women who return from the leaves or the work part-time still grow their career. The fifth one is the mentorship program. Match junior women with the senior leader who can guide and the support them. The sixth one is the leadership targets. Set the clear goal to increase the number of women in the senior position. The outcome challenges, make these challenges won't be easy, but it's possible. We recommend linking fairness goals to perform the review of the manager. The second one is the giving public reward to companies that show their real improvement. Make diversity and the pay fairness part of company value. When fairness is treated as a business goal, companies perform better and employees feel more respected and motivated. In the conclusion, we can say the gender pay gap financially advice is not about the talent or hard work. It's about the unfair system. Sorry, a voluntary program alone have not worked to fix the problem. We need stronger roles, clear salary system, and the equal growth opportunity for all of genders, for females and for males. Our research offer a practical plan to reduce the pay gap and make this important profession more fair, equal, and successful for everyone. Now there are the references about the study where we collect our data, and we try to explain our best. Thanks to be us. If you have any question, please ask us. Thank you.